exciting day. I'm at Stoneacre in Darlington, Toyota dealer. I've just picked up the new Yaris Cross, so it's really exciting. I'm going to do another video on it, like a walk around and possibly a road test. But yeah, very exciting day. And thanks everybody at Toyota Stoneacre at Darlington who've served us very well. So this is the Yaris Cross Excel in the pearlescent red. So I'll see you shortly in the next video. Bye. Hi there. So I'm back home and the first job is fit the space saver. On the new Yaris Cross. So the space saver wheel fits perfectly into the footwell, into the wheel well, sorry. I've got the jack, got the tools. I'll make a fixing for the centre, you know, to lock this. Just lock this centre nut here, and we'll get that secured in. And I've got my jack, and I've got my wheel brace, etc. And I'll just take the towing iron little compressor out, the original foam bit of the toolkit, and ready to go. So yeah, another little snippet. I'll be back.